everybody, I'm here today to show you how to maintain speed when turning right or left while driving. This will be a very simple driving tutorial, so let's get right to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start driving and I'm going to approach some turns that don't have stop signs, and I'll show you how to maintain speed when you're turning. Now, I will say one thing. Most turns will require you to slow down when you're turning, before you turn. So for most turns that you make, right or left, if you are not stopping, you're gonna probably have to slow down, and then you want to maintain that slower speed throughout the turn. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to maintain speed. So let's say you're driving and you are required to maintain your speed while you're turning. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, what you might be thinking is you have to, press the brake pedal and stuff, but maintaining speed does not involve slowing down. If you're pressing the brake pedal before you turn, then you're slowing down and you would maintain that slower speed. And you can take this lesson and apply it to that as well, for maintaining that slower speed. But I'm strictly talking about, like, if I'm going 20 kilometers an hour on a main road because there's traffic, and I'm taking that turn at 20 kilometers an hour, I'm literally just maintaining speed throughout the turn. I'm not slowing down, I'm just maintaining speed. Also, if you are on a street that requires you to sort of turn around, like a court style street, which I will demonstrate momentarily, it would be a very similar thing. You're gonna be maintaining your speed. So I'm approaching a turn right now, and I'm gonna be going the speed and maintaining that speed as I turn. So right now, my foot is hovering over the gas pedal, right? So I'm going about 22 kilometers an hour, doing my signal, my mirrors, my blind spot checks. I'm hovering over the gas pedal as I turn, and now I release the wheel, hovering over the gas pedal, still maintaining that speed. I actually just turned onto a court style street. So now I'm gonna maintain speed around this turn, this curve in the road, hovering over the gas pedal. And now I'm gonna turn the car around. Once again, just hovering over the gas pedal, okay? Just like this, turning the wheel, hovering over the gas pedal, just like that. Not pressing the brake, not really pressing the gas pedal. I'm literally just with the smallest amount of pressure on the gas pedal. That is what I am doing. That's the easiest way to put it. Now let me pull over and explain one more thing before I continue this video. Now, if you're taking the majority of turns where you have to slow down, you're going to press the brake pedal and you're going to slow down, and then you're going to hover over the gas pedal as you make that turn, or hover over the brake pedal. But when you're maintaining speed throughout a turn, just like I'm showing you right here, you're going to be hovering over the gas pedal. But here's the thing, you're going to be ready to press the brake pedal at any given moment. You're not really pressing the gas pedal. If this is the gas pedal, if you can imagine this is the gas pedal, I'm literally just placing my foot on the gas pedal to make sure that the car's not slowing down. You're maintaining speed throughout a turn. That's the purpose of this video. If you were to sort of hover over the brake pedal, then your car is likely to slow down, okay? If you were to also just not press the gas pedal or the brake pedal, like you weren't pressing any pedal, your car is likely to slow down. If you were pressing the gas pedal, then your car is likely to speed up. You don't want any of those outcomes. You want to strictly maintain speed, so you're literally hovering over the gas pedal, just pressing it with the slightest amount of pressure to maintain that speed. And there are, like I said, only a handful of situations in which you would be maintaining speed throughout a turn. One example is if you're driving on a main road or a side street, and you're driving at a slow speed because there's traffic, or because for whatever reason, if you're driving at a slow speed, you're learning to drive, whatever the case is, and you want to maintain that slow speed throughout the turn, then you're hovering over the gas pedal. If you are going through a curve in the road, like I just demonstrated right here, hovering over the gas pedal, you're maintaining speed. If you are going around, you're turning your car around on a court style road, which basically you're driving down and you drive around that street and you come back up that same road, you're maintaining speed. So once again, I'm going to demonstrate it one more time. I'm going to just go ahead and we're going to actually do the exact same thing that I just did, because it's the perfect street. It allows me to turn onto the street while maintaining speed. It allows me to go through a curve in the road while maintaining speed, and it also allows me to go around the court style in the street while maintaining speed. So we're just going to turn around right over here. Let's just go ahead. I don't want to hold up any traffic, So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. Nice little 3-point turn. Okay, so now I'm driving. I'm gonna take this turn. I'm driving slowly. Let's say there's traffic, you know, whatever the case is. I'm checking my mirrors, my blind spot, and my signal's on. I'm just hovering over the gas pedal. Now I'm driving on this street. I'm driving slowly. Let's say, you know, my hazards might be on. Maybe there's something going on with my car that I need to drive slowly, and I need to maintain speed around this curve in the road, okay? Or even if you're not in a hazardous situation where your car is being broken down, you know, you just hover over that gas pedal. Like, basically, if for whatever reason you are driving at the same speed that you need to take the turn at, you're hovering over the gas pedal. Just like I'm doing right now. I just went through the curve in the road, went around that court style part of the street, and then now I'm going through another curve in the road the opposite way. Once again, hovering over the gas pedal just like this. And that's basically it. The goal is that when you are driving and you need to, for whatever reason, maintain speed throughout a turn, the goal is that you need to be hovering over that gas pedal. If, like I said, all of the other outcomes, if you press the brake pedal, if you hover over the brake pedal, you are likely to slow down. If you don't press any of the pedals, you're likely to slow down. If you press the gas pedal, you're likely to speed up, and you don't want any of those outcomes. So in order to actually just maintain speed, you need to literally, like if this is the pedal, I'm gonna try and give this, get this to you at an angle that looks best on camera. If this is the pedal, you're literally just hovering over it. You're barely pressing it at all to maintain the speed of your car. And if you want to practice this, just take turns, you know, and keep your eye, you know, glance at the speedometer so you can see if you're speeding up or slowing down. This car, fortunately, has a digital speedometer, so it's really easy for me to see that I'm maintaining pretty much the exact same speed throughout the turn. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video driving tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.